Hi, this is Traveling Molly. Today we will review the Hyatt Centric Fisherman's Wharf, San Francisco. Would Molly approve this hotel? I stayed from August 9th through August 17th, 2026, for 8 nights and I paid for the stay myself. I booked and received a room with 1 king bed with no upgrade. Before the Globalist waiver, my total after taxes was $2,492.46. Including a $35 nightly destination fee. After Globalist waived that fee and its related tax, I paid $2,162.94. That saved me $329.52 and brought my effective after-tax rate to $270.37 per night. As a World of Hyatt Globalist, I received breakfast for 2, complimentary water, and a 4 p.m. late checkout, which I used. The hotel's destination fee package also provided one $10 food and beverage welcome credit for the entire stay, not nightly. For my dates, this was the cheapest Hyatt option I found in San Francisco. But how much of that value depended on Globalist benefits? The refreshed room felt spacious, very clean, and up to Hyatt Centric standards. The king bed and pillows were comfortable, and I found no meaningful drawback inside the room. The bathroom was clean, with good water pressure, and the Wi-Fi worked well. Most importantly, the room was completely quiet, and I could not hear the corridor or outside noise. The view faced the pool and courtyard. The pool and small hot tub were dated but clean. Inside, the refreshed room felt well maintained. The location is the biggest reason to stay here. Pier 39 is about a 10-minute walk, so the hotel works well for exploring Fisherman's Wharf without needing a car for every outing. The Pier 39 and Pier 41 area is convenient for Sausalito ferries and whale watching. At the time of this review, Tiburon and Angel Island ferries left from the ferry building instead. The Golden Gate Bridge, Palace of Fine Arts, and Fort Mason are a short drive away, depending on traffic. The front desk team was friendly and professional. No early check-in was available, but the room was ready at the official 4 p.m. check-in time, and check-in was smooth. My Globalist breakfast benefit at Brick and Beam covered 2 people. 1 entree, 1 juice, and 1 coffee per person. I tried the omelette and it was good. The breakfast checks also removed taxes and an 18% gratuity automatically. When only one of us could dine in, the staff provided the second breakfast to go. I had no serious complaint about the room or service. The main trade-off is the older property. The refreshed room was clean and comfortable, but the building and pool did not feel new or remarkable. The value would be lower without Globalist status because my breakfast was included only through that benefit, and the $35 nightly destination fee would not have been waived. That difference matters over our 8-night stay. The hotel's valet parking was $65 per night before tax. I did not park. I also received no room upgrade or early check-in. This was a World of Hyatt Category 4 hotel during my stay. In the search I ran, longer stay pricing appeared when I searched 10 nights or more, subject to availability. My 8-night booking did not qualify. This is a practical Hyatt-centric rather than a resort experience. It works best as a quiet, comfortable base for Fisherman's Wharf, not as the main attraction. Now for the Molly scores. Staff earns 4.5 paws. Location earns 5. Food 4.5. Cleanliness 5, and comfort 5. Value earns 5 paws as a Globalist, and would return also earns 5. Overall, Molly gives the Hyatt Centric Fisherman's Wharf San Francisco 4.5 paws out of 5. This hotel is best for travelers who want a quiet, clean room in walkable Fisherman's Wharf, especially Globalists using the breakfast and fee waiver. Travelers without those benefits, or anyone seeking a newer luxury property, may find the value less compelling. Would I return? Definitely. For my dates, it was difficult to beat this combination of price, location, quietness, comfort, and service among San Francisco Hyatts. See you on the next adventure. Meow.